Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to start with the numericals based on concentration of solution. A solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 gram of water. Calculate concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of solution.
Mass percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100.
Mass by mass percentage of solution. Yes, Parneet Kaur, mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to
Mass of solute
mass
upon mass of solution into 100.
mass of solution
Into 100.
Yes, Ishita. What is the mass of solute?
Ma'am, the mass of solute is 40 gram.
यहाँ पे solute कौन सा है? Common salt. And mass of solvent?
Mass of solvent is mass of solute plus mass of solvent.
The mass of solvent.
Mass of solvent is 320 gram.
320 gram. And mass of solution?
Mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent. That is 40 gram.
Mass of solute plus mass of
Solvent.
Very good. 40 gram plus
320 gram.
320 gram is equal to
360 grams.
360 gram. Now, mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute बेटे कितना 40 gram and mass of solution 360 gram into 100. Solve कीजिए.
Ma'am, the answer is 11.1%.
Very good. 11.1%. नोट कर लीजिए बेटे न्यूमेरिकल अपनी केमिस्ट्री नोटबुक पे. Next is a solution contains 35 gram of common salt in 300 gram of water. Calculate mass by mass percentage of solution. A solution contains 35 gram of common salt in 300 gram of water. Calculate mass by mass percentage of solution. Yes, mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Mass by mass percentage of solution is equal to mass of the solvent,
Mass of solute, beta.
mass of solute over mass of solution into 100.
Very good. Now, mass of solute is equal to
35 grams.
35 ग्राम. Solute क्या है यहाँ पे? Common salt.
Common salt.
Then mass of solvent is equal to
300 grams.
mass of
Ma-
solution.
Mass of solute plus mass of solvent.
Mass of solvent. Solute का mass कितना given है बच्चे यहाँ पे?
35 grams.
And solvent,
300 grams.
it is 335 gram. Now mass by mass, percentage of solution is equal to mass of solute 35 gram.
35
Right.
gram over
Yes.
335 gram into 100.
हाँ जी, सॉल्व कीजिए. Mass of solute 35 gram, mass of solution 335 gram.
Ma'am, the answer is 10.45%.
10.45. Very good, Kashika. Sorry, very good, Kashish. Roll number 31, 9 blue. Next is yes. Read कीजिए बेटा numerical.
Ma'am, may I speak?
Read कीजिए बेटे slide पे क्या लिखा है?
Yes, ma'am. A solution is prepared by dissolving 5 grams of urea in 95 grams of water. What is the mass by mass percentage of solution?
Mass of solute is equal to
5 grams.
5 gram, right? And mass of solvent
Is equal to 95 grams.
95 gram. And mass of solution
The mass of solution is equal to mass of solute plus mass of solvent.
very good. Mass of solvent. 5 gram plus 95 gram is equal to 100 gram.
100 grams.
Mass by mass. Percentage of solution is equal to it is equal to
Yes, ma'am. Is equals to mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100.
divided by mass of solution, right ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Anju.
Here the mass of solute is 5
Hmm.
divided by 100 into 100.
And answer is
Ma'am, 5%.
right. नोट कर लीजिए बेटे न्यूमेरिकल. Next numerical. A solution contains 5 milliliter of alcohol in 70 milliliter of water. Calculate the volume by volume percentage of solution. A solution contains 5 milliliter of alcohol. Calculate the volume by volume percentage of solution. Yes, volume by volume percentage of solution is equal to volume by volume percentage of solution is equal to मनकीरत कौर.
Yes, ma'am.
अंजू.
Solute is equal to 5 ml.
बेटे वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम
Alcohol.
परसेंटेज ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ
Volume of solute over volume of solution into 100.
वॉल्यूम ऑफ
Solution.
सॉल्यूशन by 100. Yes. Next, Anamika ji.
Good morning, ma'am.
Volume of yes, Anamika. Volume of solute is equal to
5 milliliter.
5 ml. And volume of solvent
70 ml.
70 ml. And volume of solution is equal to
Volume
Volume
of
of-
solute plus volume of solvent 70 ml plus 5. 5 ml plus 70.
volume of solvent. 5 plus 70 is equal to 75 ml. Right? Next, Rijul, roll number 26, 9th grade. Volume by volume percentage of solution is equal to volume of solute. 5 divided by
75 into 100.
वेरी गुड. आंसर बताइए बेटा क्या है यहाँ पे.
Ma'am, the answer is 6.67%.
6.67%. Right. Next is 15 gram of common salt dissolved in water, and the solution was found to be 115 gram. Calculate mass by mass percentage of solution. Calculate mass by mass percentage of solution. 15 gram of common salt in water and solution was found to be 115 gram. Calculate mass by mass percentage of solution.
Yes, ma'am. Mass of solute is
Mass-
equal to 15 gram.
Mass
by mass.
Percentage
Of solution is
of
equal to mass of solute
mass of
by mass of solvent into 100.
mass of solute divided by mass of solution to 100. Now, mass of solute
Solute is equal to 15 gram.
15 gram and mass of
Mass of solution is equal to 115 gram.
अब यहाँ पे सॉल्वेंट का मास गिवन नहीं है, आपको सोल्यूशन का मास ही गिवन है, दैट इज 115 ग्राम. मास बाय मास percentage of solution is equal to
15 by 115 into 100.
सॉल्व कीजिए बेटा. वेरी गुड, सारे क्लास ने सॉल्व भी कर लिए. एंड द आंसर इज
13.04%.
राइट. आंसर है 13.04%. राइट. Mass of solute 15 gram, mass of solution 115 gram, mass by mass percentage is equal to 13.04. Next is calculate mass of glucose and mass of water required to make 250 gram of 25% solution of glucose. Calculate mass of glucose and mass of water. आपने solute का यहाँ पे mass calculate करना है और solvent का mass यहाँ पे calculate करना है. Required to make 250 gram of 25% solution of glucose. Mass by mass
Percentage of solution.
percentage of solution is equal to
Mass of solute by mass of solution into 100.
mass of solution. Okay. Now mass by mass percentage हमें given है यहाँ पे
Yes, ma'am.
25 and
Equal to mass of solute.
यहाँ पे
250.
solute कौन सा है, ग्लूकोज, divided by mass of solution.
That is 250 into 100.
Good. Now
Ma'am,
mass,
it will be 62.5.
mass of glucose, that is solute, is equal to
25 by 100 into 250. 62.5.
then mass of water is equal to you know the mass of solute, you know the mass of solution. and you can calculate the mass of solvent. The mass of solvent water is equal to
Mass of solution minus mass of solute.
mass of solution is
250 gram.
and mass of solute
62.5 gram.
and mass of solvent is equal to 250 minus 62.5.
188.5 gram.
And the answer
Ma'am,
is
it-
187.5.
187.5.
is 187.5. Mass of solute 62.5, mass of solvent 187.5. That is mass of glucose 62.5 and mass of water 187.5. Next is, what is saturated and unsaturated solution? What is saturated and unsaturated solution? अभी तक आपने डिस्कस किया था एक्वस एंड नॉन एक्वस सॉल्यूशन, डाइल्यूट एंड कॉन्सनट्रेटेड सॉल्यूशन. अब हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं सैचुरेटेड एंड अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. A solution which contain maximum amount of solute dissolved in given quantity of solvent at given temperature. Solution which contain maximum amount of solute dissolved in given quantity of solvent at given temperature and which cannot dissolve any more solute at that temperature and which cannot dissolve any more solute at that temperature is known as saturated solution. Definition लिख लीजिए बेटा अपनी नोटबुक पे. A solution which contains maximum amount of solute dissolved in given quantity of solvent at given temperature and which cannot dissolve any more solute at that temperature is known as saturated solution. अब बीकर में हमारे पास गिवन क्वांटिटी ऑफ सॉल्वेंट है, गिवन क्वांटिटी 100 मिलीलीटर या 100 ग्राम हमारे पास सॉल्वेंट है, दैट इज H2O. ठीक है, और टेम्परेचर भी फिक्स्ड है कि 20 डिग्री है कि 25 डिग्री है, राइट. अब इसमें आप कितना सल्यूट डिसॉल्व कर पा रहे हो, कितना शुगर, हम यहाँ पे सल्यूट की एग्जांपल लेते हैं, शुगर, कितनी शुगर डिसॉल्व कर पा रहे हो, मैक्सिमम. ठीक है, a solution which contain maximum amount of solute. आपने थोड़ी सी शुगर डिसॉल्व की, इसमें डिसॉल्व होगी, आप और ऐड करी जा रहे हो, डिसॉल्व हो जा रही है, लेकिन एक स्टेज ऐसी आती है कि अब इसमें और शुगर डिसॉल्व नहीं होती है. उस स्टेज को कहते हैं सैचुरेशन. उस लेवल को हम कहते हैं कि सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आ गया है. ठीक है, जब और शुगर डिसॉल्व नहीं हो रही है तो हम कहते हैं कि इसमें सैचुरेशन आ गई है. आपने लिखा ना यहाँ पे which cannot dissolve any more solute. अब उस सोल्यूशन में और सोल्यूट डिसॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है उस टेम्परेचर पे, उस सोल्यूशन को हम क्या कहते हैं, सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन. एक ऐसा सोल्यूशन जिसमें मैक्सिमम अमाउंट सोल्यूट की डिसॉल्व है इन गिवन क्वांटिटी ऑफ सॉल्वेंट एट गिवन टेम्परेचर. अब और उसमें और सोल्यूट डिसॉल्व नहीं हो पाएगा, दैट सोल्यूशन इज नोन एज सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन. और जब तक वो डिसॉल्व हो पा रहा है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, अनसैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन. A solution that can dissolve more solute in it at given temperature is known as an unsaturated solution. आपने बीकर में 100 ग्राम आपने बीकर में वाटर लिया, ठीक है, और आप इसमें क्या डिसॉल्व कर रहे हो, शुगर. शुगर डिसॉल्व हो पा रही है और डिसॉल्व हो पा रही है, दैट इज अनसैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन. अब एक स्टेज ऐसी आई कि अब इस और शुगर इसमें डिसॉल्व नहीं हो पा रही है, उस स्टेज को हम क्या कहते हैं, सैचुरेशन स्टेज. अब और सोल्यूट इसमें सोल्यूशन में डिसॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहा है उस टेम्परेचर पे, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन. अगर आप टेम्परेचर बढ़ा दोगे, अगर आप उसको हीट करोगे तो वो डिसॉल्व होना शुरू हो जाता है. अब शुगर वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं हो रही है, जब आप उसको हीट करोगे तो वो डिसॉल्व होनी स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. इट मीन्स अ सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन बिकम अनसैचुरेटेड ऑन हीटिंग. या फिर आप उसमें और वाटर डाल दो, उसको डाइल्यूट कर दो, तो भी वो क्या होना शुरू हो जाएगी, डिसॉल्व होना शुरू हो जाएगी शुगर. इट मीन्स अ सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन बिकम्स अनसैचुरेटेड ईदर ऑन हीटिंग और ऑन डाइल्यूशन. अगर शुगर डिसॉल्व नहीं हो रही है उस टेम्परेचर पे और आप उसमें, ठीक है, तो आप उसमें उसको डिसॉल्व करना चाहते हो, मीन अनसैचुरेटेड करना चाहते हो, तो आप क्या करोगे, उसको हीट करोगे. ठीक है, हीट करने, अगर आप सोल्यूशन को हीट करोगे तो उसमें शुगर डिसॉल्व होनी शुरू हो जाएगी, और या फिर आप उसमें वाटर और ऐड कर दीजिए, डाइल्यूट कर दीजिए उसको, तो भी वो सैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, अनसैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन में. डेफिनेशन ऑफ सैचुरेटेड एंड अनसैचुरेटेड सोल्यूशन क्लियर है सबको बेटा? ये स्लाइड सबको क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A solution which contain maximum amount of solute dissolved in given quantity of solvent at given temperature and which cannot dissolve any more solute at that temperature is known as saturated solution, and a solution that can dissolve more solute in it at given temperature is known as unsaturated solution. And saturated solution becomes unsaturated either on heating or on dilution. Next is solubility. इसकी definition भी notebook पे लिखिए. The maximum amount of solute in grams that can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent. Maximum amount of solute in grams that can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent at a given temperature to form saturated solution is known as solubility of solute in that solvent at that particular temperature. Maximum amount of solute in grams which can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent at given temperature to form saturated solution. What is saturated solution? Which cannot dissolve any more solute at that temperature. That is known as solubility of solute in that solvent at that particular temperature.